Hi everyone. I just wanted to pop in here really quickly to create this video for you to see. Some of you are having challenges logging in, and I want to problem solve this. So this is how it works on my end. And you go to pathwithharmony.com, you're on the home page, and then up here on the top you see the login. And then when you click that, it takes you to new members to sign up, but you already are a site member. So you come to login and then you put in your email, your details, your password, and then log in. And then you'll be taken back to the homepage, right? When you're first signing up, you're going to get an email, and then the email should bring you back to your homepage. And then up at the top, see how it says Hello Path with Harmony? It has my name here. To access the learning portal, you click this arrow and then you can scroll down and then you see the learning portal and click that, and then you're at the learning portal. So here is your welcome message, the primers, the videos about feminine power before you signed up, the self-assessment tool, and then here's your week 1 activation ceremony. This is also something I want to show you. So this is a small PDF right here. When you click these arrows right here, you can go into presentation mode, and then it becomes the full PDF. The pages that really focus in on your destiny intention are start on page 15. Okay, so this is page 15. Okay, and so to get out of this full screen, you just push exit, and then you are back to your learning portal. And then this is the audio of our ceremony, but this is all the information that I went through before we met. So it doesn't have any of the live component. This is pre-recorded. And this is where I deepen into the mindset shifts and I deepen into the manifestation mistakes. And then here is our live session. And then here is the audio of our live session. And then you'll just keep scrolling, and then week 2 will be unlocked when you get there. So if this isn't what you're experiencing, let me know. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.